Dear students, in my previous video we have learned about constant and variable. Now our today topic is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? The combination of constant and variable connected by sign of basic operations is called an algebraic expression. 2x minus 3y plus 9z is an algebraic expression, and 2x minus 3y and 9z are called terms of expression. Here 2, 3, 9 are constant, x, y, z are variable, and minus plus basics operation. Now classification of algebraic expression. Monomial. An algebraic expression containing only one term is called a monomial. सिंगल टर्म्स वाले algebraic expression को monomial कहते हैं. Example: 3x, 7, 5bc, x, y, z प्लस या माइनस से सेपरेट कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल को टर्म्स कहते हैं. यहाँ कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल प्लस या माइनस से सेपरेट नहीं है, इसलिए सिंगल टर्म है. बाइनोमियल. एन algebraic expression containing two terms is called a binomial. Examples: 3x plus 4y. 3x is first term, 4y second term. A minus b. ab plus 7. 2x plus 5. Trinomial. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. Examples: 4 plus a plus b. 4 first term, a second term, b third term. 5xy plus 2x plus 3z. यहाँ प्लस या माइनस कोई भी साइन हो सकता है. याद रखिए, टर्म्स काउंट करने के लिए प्लस और माइनस से सेपरेट होना चाहिए. अगर मल्टीप्लाई है तो उसे हम लोग सिंगल टर्म ही कहेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पर 5xy, x और y के बीच कोई साइन नहीं है, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई है, तो ये वन टर्म हुआ. 2 टर्म, 3 टर्म. नाउ लाइक एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स. लाइक टर्म्स. द टर्म्स हैविंग द सेम वेरिएबल विथ same exponents are called like terms. Exponents is new word for u. Exponent means power. For example, a raised to the power 2, or simply a power 2 means a multiplied by a. A multiply 2 times. 4 power 3. 4 multiply 3 times. 3 is called exponent or power index, and 4 is called base. Exponent. Example of like terms: 4x square y. That means x multiplied 2 times, and 7x square y are like terms. y में पावर सेम है, x में भी पावर एक्सपोनेंट सेम है. So 4x square y and 7x square y are like terms. Unlike terms. The terms having the different variables on or same variable with different exponents are called unlike terms. Examples: 3x and 4x square are unlike terms. X exponent 1 x power 2 exponent 2, different exponent. So they are unlike terms. Second example, 4x and 5y. Variable x, variable y, different variables. So they are unlike terms. Now activity 1. Write down the following in algebraic expressions. 3 times a number. 3x. X is a number and 3 times of a number means 3x. 6 more than a number. Suppose number is x, then x plus 6 is 6 more than a number. 17 less than a number. Suppose number is x, then x minus 17 is 17 less than a number. Fifth part of a number. Suppose number is x, then x upon 5 is fifth part of a number. 12 more than twice of a number. Suppose number is x, then twice of number is 2x and more than 12 means plus 12. 3 less than 7 times a number. 7 times, suppose number is x, 7 times means 7 multiply x, 7x, and 3 less than minus 3. 1 upon 3 of 4 times of a number. 1 upon 3 of 4 times a number. 4 times, so 4x, and 1/3 4x upon 3. 7 times of a number added to itself. Suppose number is x, then 7 times is 7x and added to itself x. Subtracting 6 times of a number from 5 times the same number. Suppose number is x, then 5 times is 5x, and subtracting 6 times of number 6x from 5 times the same number, that means 5x minus 6x. 5 liter of milk is taken out from a can full of milk. How much milk remain in the can? Suppose total milk in can is x and 5 liter milk taken out. So milk remain in the can is x minus 5 liter. In all the above examples, you must have noticed that algebraic expressions are made up of constant and variable. In the table given below, sort out the constant and variable, write them in the proper columns. Activity number 2. Algebraic expression z. Variable z and constant. Z means 1z. So constant is 1. X plus 5. Variable is x and constant. This is 1x and 5. 1, 5 constant. 2xy minus 3. X and y are variables and 2 minus 3 constant. 3x square minus 7. X square. X power 2 exponent. This x square is variable and constant 3 and minus 7. This 2 is not constant, 2 is exponent. So x square is variable. Activity number 3. Write the number of terms or items in the given algebraic expression. 3x plus 8, 2. 3 plus y minus 7p is 3 terms. Very easy. Remaining questions do yourself. Activity number 4. Serial number 1, algebraic expression 8x multiple 8. Correct word for this is coefficient. C-O-E-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-T. Coefficient. Coefficient of x is 8 and variable is x. 9 and py. Remaining questions can do yourself. Activity number 5. Encircle the like variables in the given list of algebraic expression like x, 2 by 3x and 2x, xy. xy is not like to x. xz is also not like to x. Like yz, 2yz and 1/2 yz. Similarly, remaining questions solve yourself. Exercise 12. Recognize the single term univariant. Correct word is monomial. And two-termed, that means binomial. Single term monomial, double term, two terms binomial. Algebraic expression and write terms separately. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh and ninth and 10th are binomial. Only 6th and 8th, 4ab and 3xy are monomial. Question 2. Select the like terms from the following algebraic expression. Like terms. 5xy and xy minus 9/4 xy. 7c and minus 2c. Minus 4/5 yz and 11/13 yz. Minus 7bc and bc. Two upon 7 z and 7z. Minus 37 PQR and 9PQR. Thanks for watching my video.